Okay, imagine that we have output from an online questionnaire as a CSV or Excel sheet. Here I changed all null data, null cells to AA for some reason. And the task is to calculating the frequency of each name, as you can see in the table, for each age group. So in the first column we have age group from 1 to 5. First I select the target age group number 3. Then with clicking Shift and Control, I select the whole table and paste it as only value, because otherwise we will also paste the whole table and not the filter, but now I only have the age group number 3. With Control T I can make it as a table, and you can go to data from table and range. From Power Query editor you can select all columns, and from transform unpivot columns you can sort all names in one column. But in the first column you have attributes, age, and different columns of our questionnaire results. What I do not need are these null values and the 3 for all age columns. Now I have only the name, the columns with name. You close it and keep the data. Wait for it. Yes. Now you have the table. But how you can calculate the frequency? The trick is first calculate the unique to create a list of unique values. So a list of unique names are created here. Now we should simply count. Count if. So the range is selected, and in the range if the value is from C2 so for the first one we have 6, and easily you can calculate the frequency for each name. That's very helpful for data analysis of any kind of table with same characteristics when you have multiple names distributed in a matrix. So to repeat what we have done, first you summarize them or order them in one column, then you create a unique name list, then by count if you can calculate the frequency. That's a helpful, simple, and a straightforward method in data analysis.